While watching this beautiful picture of nature, we are highly impressed. One can imagine why Rabindranath Tagore would have said to return to nature, why Walt Whitman might have said to return to nature. Even Balkavi of Marathi literature has also focused such beauty of nature, and these poets must be highly impressed, fascinated, and it's because of that they would have described rivers, mountains, nests, singing birds, beautiful greenery, flowing water, and number of things of nature. This is eye-pleasing picture of the area where I am standing now. It is very close to Chanai, Taluka, Ambajogai district beat. There is a lake. Beside that, when we go towards west, walking through the greenery, we come across such beautiful locations of this land, and we become uncontrollable to take beautiful photographs of this landscape. We wish to listen to this music of nature. We don't know how much depth would be there to this water, but it's a beautiful planning of the farmer to have storage of water for agriculture. Such a kind of beauty is also there when we walk this flowing water of the tiny river. Below that, my friends are taking pleasure of this mountaineering, wandering through the beautiful areas of Chanai river, Chanai lake, and this is wonderful, highly eye-pleasing, so sensitive, so surprising. Everywhere we find the sparrows which have made their nests. Peacocks are there. Just recently built nests with green grass is also there. See, my friends, Dr. Dilip Bisay, Dr. Anant Markale, Dr. Arvind Khorke, Dr. Pusdegar are taking the pleasure of this beautiful location. I too am enjoying describing this beautiful area, giving you beautiful scenes of the greenery and the river that has been very nicely flowing during this rainy season. It's 22nd of September 2024 with Dr. Mukund Rajpankhe. Thank you.